Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about real-time hardware monitoring using Python. We are going to write a Python code which monitors system hardware parameters in real time and display them as graphical bars in the terminal. So first, you need to install if you don't have already on your system, you need to install psutil and reach with the pip. You can do via pip command. You can open a terminal, and on terminal you can type pip install psutil and reach. I have already on my system, so I don't need it. And now we are going to import psutil first. So it's gonna be import psutil, import time from reach console, import console psutil, a library that provides an interface for retrieving information on system utilization, CPU, memory, disk, network. And the time, a standard library for time-related functions used here to pause the program. And then we have a reach console, part of the rich library used for enhanced terminal output via style text. And now we are going to initialize console. So this will be console set to console. Create an instance of the console class which allows for printing style text and controlling the terminal output. Then we are going to define our function display graph to display the graph, and it takes parameters a label, the name of the metric, example CPU usage, value, the current value of the metric, example current CPU usage, and then we have max value, the maximum possible value for scaling 100 for percentage, and unit, the unit of measurement defaulting to percent sign. And then we have another function get system info. So this our display graph function calculates the field length of the bar based on the current value, and it will construct a string representing the bar with field hash sign and unfilled with dash section. And then we are going to print the bar and its value to the console. So let's do that. This one is bar. Let's set to 50. Length of the bar graph field length int bar length multiply value by max value. Then we have bar set to the hash field length and we have console print label bar value 12 unit. And now get system info function. So we need to add that one. CPU usage. PS util CPU percent interval set to 1. We are going to use a PS util to gather system information, and this over here PS util.cpu percent interval set to 1 return CPU usage as percentage over a 1 second interval. Then we have memory PS util virtual memory. This retrieves memory usage details, specifically the percentage of memory used. Then we have disk PS util disk usage. This gets disk usage for the root directory, returning the percentage of disk space used. Then we are going to return the CPU memory and disk usage values. So big disk usage. Return CPU usage, memory usage, disk usage. memory. So we need to have a memory usage here. And now our main function, console print real time hardware monitoring. Style. So it prints a header for the monitoring. Then we are going to enter an infinite loop and call get system info to get current usage values. CPU usage, memory usage, disk usage, calling get system info. And next clear the console for fresh display. So we can do and now we are going to call display graph for each metric to show current usage, and then going to pause for 2 seconds before repeating, allowing for real-time updates. Let's do that. And now script entry point. Call the main function to start the monitoring process. Now we can run our script. Need to add this under the infinite loop. So after this console print, we are going to add while true condition. Indent the code. Now just run the code and we can see the refreshing of the real-time hardware monitoring information. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.